How to fix camera error code 0xa00f4244. 1. Basic troubleshooting tips. 1.1 Check the dedicated sliders or button. 1.2 Check the default keyboard shortcut like F10. 1.3 Check the power switch on your external camera. 1.4 Try connecting to a different USB port. 1.5 Connect your camera to your PC directly. 2. Check the camera status on Device Manager. Note, you may need to re-enable your device. 3. Check camera permissions. 4. Power cycle your computer. 5. Update camera and chipset drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Uninstall then reinstall camera drivers. 7. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 8. Set 0 to enable frame server mode at 8.1 for 64-bit OS, hkey_local_machine /software/wow6432 node/Microsoft/Windows Media Foundation/platform in registry editor. 8.232. Bit Windows, hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows Media Foundation/platform in registry editor. 9. Update operating system and firmware. 10. Replace or repair your camera hardware.